Good morning, students. Last day I have explained you why the stars are twinkling. Stars are twinkling because the stars is far away from the surface of the earth, and the stars of the sunlight when comes from the stars to our eyes, it have to move the different atmospheric zone, and every atmospheric zone the refractive index is different. As a result, instead of the moving straight line continuously, it moves zigzag line, and that is only the reason the stars are twinkling. More details I have explained in the last day. Now the one question arises, if the stars are twinkling, why not the planets are twinkling? Dear students, it is very easy, because you know distance of the planet and the earth compares to the distance of the star and earth. The distance of the star to the earth is far more compared to the distance of the planet to the surface of the earth. So it covers the less atmospheric zone. When the light of the planet enters to the surface of the earth, it is covering the less atmospheric zone. So when it's covered the less atmospheric zone, and definitely the scattering of the light will be less compared to the scattering of the light from the stars to the surface of the earth. That is only the reason the planets are not twinkling. Now today, one more important point, advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Dear students, it is very interesting point that whatever the sunrise time has been given, suppose now the summer season sunrise point, suppose the tomorrow sunrise will be 5:20 am. Suppose 5:20 am. Daily you read the newspaper, in the newspaper sunrise and sunset time is given. So if it is suppose the 5:20 am, very early in the morning you goes to your roof. Before 5:20 am, 5:15 am you reach to the roof, and you must watch the direction of the east, because the east direction sun rises. Just 2 minutes before, that means exactly 5:18, you can get the effect of the sunlight. That means whatever the actual time of the sunrise, we can get the effect of the sunlight 2 minutes before. Same thing, the sunset. Now summer sunset after 6 o'clock only, suppose 6:30 or 6:40, whatever the sunset time is given, at same process you go to the roof, and after sunset you keep the watch on the west direction. After sunset you can see that exactly 2 minutes more the effect of the sunlight. So it is concluded that the sunrise time we can get 2 minutes before effect of the sunrise time, and after the sunset also 2 minutes more delay sunlight we can see. Now question, why this, the advanced sunrise and delayed sunset? Because you know it is only the atmospheric refraction. When we follow completely into the horizontal way, then we can see exactly the actual time. But instead of the horizontal, if we move little curve, then we cannot see the exactly time. When I have explained you the refraction of the light, I have explained, if you take in a beaker some water and a straight pencil you immerse into the water, it bends. But the pencil is not bent, but due to the refraction of the light it bends. So the sunlight also, instead of the completely horizontal, it reaches our eyes by the bending. That means it is not getting the actual position, it is giving the apparent position, and that is only the reason, due to the refraction of the light, we are getting advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. So today you read up to page number 195. Thank you.